struggling. Okay, so excited.
It is what it is. I'm sorry, I can't take myself seriously.
If you're feeling lost in your 20s, you are absolutely not alone. I'm 26 and I recently quit my job as a Hollywood assistant with pretty much no backup plan, and I am definitely feeling a little bit lost right now. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kate, and I moved to LA a year ago to pursue a career in entertainment. However, the last 6 months have consisted of some of the most brutal ups and downs of my life, and I decided I needed to take a step back and focus on my mental health. Once I saved enough money, I quit my job and I haven't looked back since. Not exactly sure what the future holds for me, but I'm choosing to embrace the beauty of the unknown. Here are some moments from my life, and come along with me as I figure out what the hell I'm doing. We got this, let's go.
Good morning. It is Monday morning and I just went for a walk. I grabbed a coffee and then I had to move my car for street cleaning. So I thought, why not just sit in the car and have a chat for a minute? So that's what we're gonna do. Yay, okay. I'm sorry, I can't take myself seriously. I'm not gonna lie, life has felt like a blur recently. So obviously I'm unemployed. Fun, we love it. It is what it is. We're doing our best. I came to LA to work in entertainment and that's what I was doing, and then I realized, hey, maybe I should take a step back for a second. And so now I am kind of figuring out what I want to do. I still want to work in entertainment, but that's like a whole other conversation. But I wanted to talk about some like wellness things that I've been doing to stay sane. I think like the most important part for me over the last like month or so has just been setting goals and sticking to them. Honestly, I found that this is how you build the most confidence in yourself, by just doing the things that you say that you're gonna do. And this could mean something as basic as waking up at the time that you've said that you were going to, or going for like a morning walk. So some goals that I've set for myself recently, I'll put them on the screen, but by incorporating these, I'm able to really take care of my mental and physical health during a time that could be very stressful and overwhelming and uncertain. I'm also a very visual person, so I have created a couple Pinterest boards. I have been on Canva. I think this is just a way to stay laser focused on your goals, and also being unemployed, thinking about pivoting careers. I have really been trying to like reflect on what I actually want to do and what my like day-to-day life would look like. So going on Pinterest, making a Canva board or whatever has been really helpful. So those are just some things that I've been working on lately that I think have really helped my mental health. So like I said, I'm going to insert some footage. It's a little chaotic and just like random clips thrown together, but that's kind of just how life has been lately. So that's what this vlog is gonna be. Hello, I haven't talked to a camera in like forever and it feels weird, but I'm just doing my hair right now. I'm trying to just like get ready for my days pretty early on so that I feel a little bit more productive. Okay, so I got called quirky on a date recently. I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but we're gonna take it. Oh my god, my battery's gonna die. Okay, hair is done. Camera definitely did die. I literally got my hair cut not even 3 weeks ago and it's already grown out so much, but I got a couple more layers than I usually do, and I'm trying to like pay more attention to taking care of my hair because I do get highlights pretty regularly, so I'm really trying to take care of it lately. But when my hair is styled like this, it's so hard not to tuck it behind the ears. Like if you get it to fall correctly, that doesn't always look too bad, but it's just like not the same vibe as this, obviously. Okay, I honestly think I'm just gonna hang around the house today. I think I just need to like take a self-care day. I think I'm gonna walk on my walking path.
Okay, so I just got such an exciting package, and I definitely did a little bit of retail therapy, which I maybe shouldn't have done since I'm recently unemployed, but this is literally all I needed. I have a feeling this is gonna boost my mood so much today, so let's unpackage it. Okay, please ignore how messy my room is. This is actually like the least messy angle. Does that have my address on it? Yeah. I'm so excited. So I have recently been getting into perfume oils, and I ran out of my favorite perfume recently, and I tried to get one from Target and it just like wasn't cutting it. I really liked the smell of it, but it wasn't lasting on my body as long as I wanted it to. So I might have caved and ordered a couple things on TikTok Shop, and I heard that perfume oils are longer lasting. Should I like show you? Let's see. Okay. So my hair is already messed up. Like it is what it is. It has a mind of its own. Okay, so I got 2 perfume oils from Cyklar, and then I also got a body oil. I know it's really risky to order like scents online because obviously you haven't been able to smell them yet. So let's start with the vanilla verve. This one is what was trending on TikTok for a really long time. It's really sweet. I maybe should have thought about this a little bit more. I'm not usually like a sweet, warm scented person when it comes to perfume, but I've really been trying to get into vanilla, and this is really vanilla. So there's that one. They are a little bit smaller than I expected, I'm not gonna lie. So pretty though, love the packaging. The next one I got is called Sex Musk. This is the one that Gracie Abrams was talking about, and this one I think might be a little bit more up my alley because it's a little bit less vanilla-y. Okay. Interesting. This one's way more florally than I expected. This one smells like super high-end. Honestly, it reminds me a little bit of the Gucci Bloom perfume. That is like my splurge perfume. I used to splurge on that in high school. I think this one might be my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. I wonder what they smell like together. Going back to vanilla verve, we're gonna try to mix this together and see what happens. Let's see. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Okay. I like it in combination with each other, and I think I saw someone on TikTok say that they combine both vanilla verve and Sex Musk together, so that's why I got these 2. And I'm not gonna lie, they weren't wrong. It does go well together. But this is just the body oil that I got. It's in the same scent as vanilla verve. Honestly, I just needed a new body oil. I was using Vaseline like coconut oil, and that was not cutting it, and also I don't really trust the ingredients that are in that. So this was my splurge purchase, and she's beautiful. I feel like this has a little bit of a different scent than the perfume oil. I kind of like the body oil better than the perfume oil, even though they're supposed to be the same. Okay, I think I found my new scents of the fall and winter season. I'm so excited. Good morning and welcome to a day in my life as a 26-year-old who recently quit her job and is starting over and working on her mental health. So today is a busy day. I actually have a job interview and then I have an event to go to later tonight. So I'm just getting ready for the day. Still perfecting my overnight curls, so please don't judge me. But here I am doing my skincare and getting ready for the day. And then my favorite part about our house is actually our orange tree in our backyard. So I just sat outside and ate some breakfast. Then I changed and headed out the door for a walk around the neighborhood. I called my mom and listened to a few podcasts. Tell me why it's so humbling to film yourself in public. There was literally no one around, but it still felt like shameful. Anyways, I got a solid 42 minutes in, and then by the time I got back, I realized I had an hour until my job interview, so I just got ready and filmed a bit for YouTube. Then I had my interview, which was on Zoom, but I still get pretty nervous. Thank you to my beta blocker. I powered through, and I think it went pretty well. Afterwards, I made some lunch, grabbed a coffee, did some editing before heading to my friend's pilot screening in Glendale. After the screening, we explored a little bit, got some drinks with everyone, and then I just ended my night in bed with a face mask, and that was my day.
Okay, so if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope that it was somewhat entertaining, and definitely stay tuned. I think I'm gonna be starting another vlog today and then just like pumping out some content while I have the time. So yeah, be sure to subscribe and follow me. Comment a little heart emoji if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next video.